Still getting 0 views after uploading your YouTube videos? What if I told you there's a way to auto-seed your videos and make YouTube think you're going viral? The biggest problem right now, when you hit publish, no one sees it. YouTube needs early engagement to push your video. If no one watches in the first 60 minutes, your video is basically dead. That's why I use auto-seeding tool, a software that simulates real user behavior. It automatically watches your video for a few minutes. Likes, comments, even shares, just like a real fan. Let me show you how it works. Step 1, paste your YouTube link. Step 2, enter comment content in the correct structure. Step 3, set how many views, likes, and comments you want. Step 4, hit start. That's it, your video gets boosted automatically. The best part? You can customize everything: realistic watch times, randomized comments, no bans, no spam, just pure algorithm-friendly engagement. So, ready to grow your channel on autopilot? At first, the video only had 2 views. After using the YouTube seeding software, it increased to 12 views. Below is the list of comments I had prepared in advance. Try auto seeding tool today. Fire DM me for access or check the link in the description.